Welcome to an unparalleled masterpiece of luxury living in Sydney. Designed by Studio Johnston and set in one of Sydney's most desirable harbourside enclaves, this residence, staged across 3 grand levels and accessible by lift, offers breathtaking views over the iconic city skyline and Sydney Harbour, setting a new benchmark for prestigious living. Its sophisticated design features versatile interiors wrapped around a central courtyard, allowing light and views to flood into the home. This unique layout offers multiple gathering spaces that can be enjoyed individually or connected, integrating a glamorous formal dining area, an open-air courtyard, and a living space that spills into the expansive heated alfresco dining area, capturing the world-famous icons of Sydney Harbour. The state-of-the-art chef's kitchen is a highlight, featuring gourmet Wolf appliances, an integrated fridge, a zip tap, a walk-in cold room, and a walk-in pantry. This kitchen elevates entertaining to a new level. Multiple entertaining zones include a formal dining room and media room, providing ample space for hosting gatherings. The master suite is a statement of refined luxury, complete with a walk-in closet, a private balcony, and a stylish ensuite, all capturing breathtaking views. Complementing the master suite are 4 additional bedrooms, 2 with ensuites plus a study. There are 5 luxurious marble bathrooms and 2 powder rooms with heated flooring and mirrors, ensuring comfort and style throughout the home. For alfresco dining, an expansive all-season area warmed by a heated pergola and gas barbecue provides the perfect setting for outdoor entertaining. The sparkling, self-cleaning heated swimming pool, enclosed in cooling coral stone, adds to the outdoor allure. Located moments from prestigious schools, Rose Bay Village, harbour beaches, and other local amenities, this home offers unmatched convenience. Discover the ultimate in modern harbourside living at 1 Rawson Road in Rose Bay.